All right, YouTube, welcome back to Jet Views. We are here at the Hoover Dam. As you can see, the bathtub ring of, I guess it's limestone, which where the water used to be. It's down like 100 and something, 150 feet right now. I'm gonna try to insert a clip right here to show you the difference where the water used to be. Right there. Right now, but I've been here a bunch of times on bikes, but every time I came, it was closed. So that's that bathtub ring right there. And those are the turbines that get the water going and all that. But we ain't generating no power over here because it ain't no water. So thank you for joining me. I'm gonna keep around, try to go up to the overlook, get you guys some nice views, and thanks for joining. I came up here to see the bathtub rings of the Hoover Dam. As you can see, that's where the water used to be. That's crazy, yo. Did people throw money, or was the water up here? Look at all this. I feel like I'm in James Bond 007, GoldenEye. All right, so I'm out here at the Hoover Dam Scenic View, and this is pretty sad, man. If you could see where the water used to be, see those bathtub rings? Yeah, bathtub rings. You see the bathtub rings? This is crazy. Look at everybody. Everybody got their boats out there, but they probably hitting rocks and whatnot now. It's wild. No water here. Look at this.
Following you?
I don't know. The Boulder Basin.
Is at an all-time low. You can see that 140 feet vertical loss that we've had in the last 20 years. That is some 5 trillion gallons of water. And look,